This what 30,000 look like. This what 30,000 look like.
All right, you like that, ain't it? That real chicken right there, boy.
What's the real chicken?
Check that out there. Huh?
So what's that? That's electric? That's motorized?
Yes, sir. That's electric right there.
Hold on. Let's see some more of that. Oh, son.
But the other side too, that there.
So you telling me now, is that a standard package or is that something upgraded?
That's that chicken package.
He got electric motor side mirrors. I don't know if your shit got that.
Can we just disconnect the battery?
Yeah, unplug it. No, remember last time we had a bleed, we had a force air.
Cypress Creek, I-95 Cypress. What do you think?
What's good, James and the Rock?
Good guy.
What's good, bro? You're now tuned in to Ruckus, Mayhem, and Madness TV, where we try to motivate. And if you're watching this, I thought a nigga that got gum disease said something. I thought a nigga that got cavity said something. I thought a nigga that got gingivitis said something. Listen, we got $30,000 compression sitting right here. Oh my God. Listen, I'm just trying to motivate you and let you see what it take to cause Ruckus, Mayhem, and Madness. He go exotic Dubai candy boy paint job. He go pistachio paint cause this bitch nuts. Oh my God. 427 Whipple supercharger with $30,000 compressions. Good God. Painted frame. Listen, I don't think y'all really understand what's going on out here. Until you go get your mouth fixed, until you go get that tooth with that hole in it fixed, until you go get anything done with your mouth, you can't say shit. I think he went to Eliante because he got jury. He got car jury. He got car jury. Good God. He got alien lights inside of there. I don't even supposed to be doing this. I'm getting y'all exclusive footage. Good God, compression. And I don't want to hear people keep talking about they ain't worth 30,000. You ain't had no money to play with. You ain't had no money to play with, so you wouldn't know what 30,000 or what to spend 30,000 on. This right here, he went to KFC. Nah, matter of fact, he went to Popeyes. Matter of fact, he went to Harold's Chicken because this bitch cost some chicken. He spun some chicken. Good God. Chicken, nigga. I'm on the floor for y'all. Check out all the details.
Good.
Yes, sir.
It don't matter. They get the concept, but I'm not gonna post it right now.
I am.
What do you mean? Why? Why are you trying to show everything?
Huh? You gotta show little details, bro.
Cool. Yeah. One more time for him.
No puedes poner un luz ahí abajo.
Esto no cabe.
¿Dónde está la luz larga de él?
No, es que no entra porque está ahí el...
Oh, yeah.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you. I swear to God, I thought this was not gonna make it.
Oh yeah, that's gonna hit right
I
there.
promise.
You don't know what I...
You got these boys really working overtime. What you can say about that?
You said I got them working overtime. What I can say about that?
Yeah.
James.
Thursday, June 11th, 12:44. You want some real? I would say, hold on. I would say put some respect on my name. But you know who you respect?
James.
How your car get badass like that, show? How you did that show? I said, damn. You want to know somebody who you could blame? You want to know somebody you could blame? Blame James. Nigga, listen, you know one thing about me? I've been doing this shit a long time. Shout out my nigga Two Fly. If you want to know who to blame for this badass motherfucker,
James.
blame James.
Gotta blame James.
James, hey, listen. James might take long with the parts though, but he ain't bucking. He ain't Coco. He gonna come through.
Yeah, that's
It's all about them details. Listen, this is the after hours special that folks don't really get to talk about. Listen, Romo goddamn still getting his car worked on, 11 o'clock at night. Damn, they're going on 12. Radiator blew holes in it because something done fell inside of it. Phoenix Fab came through, welded that thing back up. They got everything back going. One monkey don't stop no show. This radiator ain't stopping no show. Shit still going.
Boat?
I don't know, ¿qué fue que estaba adentro?
Yo, chama, ¿qué es el problema? ¿Ah? Dime. The washer.
What side did it come out of?
This one right here. Let me post that on my story.
You can't even tell it really came out of it.
No, they just fixed it. They painted it back right now.
Oh, yeah. A1. Explain to him what happened 10 o'clock at night building the Donk.
Somebody dropped the fucking washer through the radiator hole, fell in here. The sensor wasn't on, so the fans was never turning on. So when James put the sensor on, the fans turned on, caught the fucking washer and blew it through out through this shit. We had to call Phoenix. Shout out to Phoenix. I need you right now. I'm paying top dollar Phoenix. I need you right now.
Alright, let me go grab my, let me go to the shop and pack some shit up. Text me the address.
Alright, I'm gonna send it to you right now. Bet that up, Phoenix. Alright. Real chicken, nigga. 3 days out, radiator broken. 9 o'clock at night. Only thing that's gonna save you, had to call Phoenix to come in. Only thing that's gonna save you, that chicken, nigga. You ain't got that yicking, nigga. You ain't got no motion. Chicken equals motion, nigga, or you dead out here.
But the people don't know what they telling me. They don't know.